Hey guys, it's me, Dream Chasing Hair, and I'm back with a 4-month update on my client split ends. So stay tuned. Okay, so this is a follow-up video from my client here. We did her hair back in February and her ends were like terrible. Like she had breakage all over. And you guys asked me for a update. So here it is. It has been 4 months. She has been coming in for her treatments and her trims. Even though we have been out because of the virus, her hair is still healthy. It is still manageable. It has really done a 360. I'm just so proud of her and her consistency, as well as her trusting me to be able to make sure that she has the best hair possible. Before I was out of work because of the virus, she did have another trim because I wanted to make sure that she was on schedule. And so she hasn't had her ends trimmed since March. So that's what we're going in to do now. As you can see in the back, it's not a lot going on back there. It's pretty healthy. She still has a lot of breakage in the front, which we're going to take care of. But all in all, her hair has really transformed, and I'm so excited for her future. Really know why people don't like getting their ends trimmed. To me, it's therapeutic. I have to do it for myself and as well as my clients. Like, I just don't like to see people walking around with beautiful hair and their ends is jacked up. So we got to continue with that, ladies. Please get your trims on the regular. And of course, you know, I'm going in with my Vixen curls, but we're just making them a little bigger because she wanted more body. And I'm so happy to introduce my new product line, Healthy Motherfucking Hair. I use the Milk and Honey Oat shampoo and conditioner, as well as my Hair Treat Deep Treatment. It will be available very, very soon, in about 3 weeks or less. I'm just so excited. And these products are absolutely amazing. We didn't even put any serum on her hair yet, and you guys can see the shine, the natural shine in her hair. And because of her doing her part with coming back, and as well as the products, and as well as me making sure that her hair is on track, this is the results. Just a little tip to make sure that when you are using your flat iron to curl, that you're taking your time and you're not rushing through it. You have to be absolutely smooth when you're running that flat iron through the hair. So everyone, just take your time. Just really take your time. I hope that you have enjoyed this video. I will make sure that I continue with her progress, and she is absolutely in love with her hair and her progress. Again, thank you so much for watching my videos and, you know, giving me positive feedback. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and follow me on Instagram.